Guys, Ian Preston here on my second channel, Ian Preston Reviews. We're watching Nature versus Nurture, I think. But anyway, if you guys are new to this channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Check out Ian Preston, my first channel. Link will be in the description. Let's get into this. That's Miyagi's old, I think that's Miyagi's car. Uh-oh, 1965 flashback, Crease flashback. San Fernando Valley, 1965. I heard this song before. Wasn't this song in... Heard it was in Full Metal Jacket, too. Isn't that Martin Cove's son? Jesse Cove? Yes. And there's Betsy. That pretty Betsy. Is that... Yeah, it's Barrett Carnahan. Yeah, quit that. Why did Betsy date this guy?
Just thought the fellas here had a look. We can use you out there in Vietnam, man. It's amazing you can become with a little discipline and direction. The Army gives a leader true purpose in life. What do you say?
I heard they're thinking about doing a spin-off series up with this 1965 stuff. Young Crease, I'd like to see that. Of course you don't want to do that.
Tables are not going to bust themselves. Get back to work.
Yep, that's Young Crease. People were kind of fooled of who was the Young Crease. Oh, how embarrassing. I feel like that's kind of a... With a tripping thing, it was like a Back to the Future thing, and looks like Betsy does not like this. And his boss is like... harsh.
Weakness is unacceptable.
And there's Crease now in the present day.
The fight at the school was an embarrassment. You lost soldiers, and you lost the battle. But you will not lose again. Diaz was one of our own. What they did to him, they did to all of us. And it will not go unanswered.
Oh my gosh.
We will show no weakness. We will strike back, and we will strike hard. Is that clear? Yes, Sensei! I can't hear you. Yes, Sensei!
And then the title of the show comes up like... Wow.
This is from your pale friend, Dimitri?
Dimitri, yes.
The plastic isn't UV resistant, so don't leave it near the window. And that basket is from the Russos.
The Russos, oh.
No, don't. What is it, baby? What do you need? Water?
More, Sensei.
Almost reminded me of Star Wars, where Finn wakes up and goes, "Where's Rey?" Oh man.
Hey, got your juice. Aduls and blood spark.
Looks like sewage.
Suck it up. If we find Robbie, you might want to be awake.
Dry faster. I feel like I'm in a rocking chair.
Knock it off.
Yeah.
On a mission.
What are we supposed to do? Drive around all day looking for a van?
No, but hopefully our mutual friend can point us in the right direction.
Oh, oh, Shannon is in there. Shannon is in there. Robbie's mother. It's the rehab center. Looks amazing.
One of the best facilities in the country.
Almost looks like a heaven place or something.
Focus, will you? You're on business, not play.
Welcome to Malibu Canyon Recovery. You're doing a very brave thing.
What? No, I'm not checking in. No quitter.
I understand. It can be hard at first. Don't worry, you'll get used to it.
sure he will.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, laugh it up, Luce.
Laugh it up, LaRusso. Oh, there she is.
Janet,
Hi. Oh, it's so good to see you.
me too.
Oh, please tell Amanda I said thank you. That lavender essential oil, she said it really did help with my insomnia.
You still going to the Kudos and Concerns meetings on Wednesdays?
Yes, I am.
That's great.
Hi, Jenny.
Hey. You look good.
Yeah, she looks amazing. I think rehab really made her look great.
When Daniel said that he wanted to talk about Robbie, I really wasn't expecting to see the two of you together.
Yeah, well, whatever it takes to find our son.
I really wanted to take a break from here so I could go look for him. But my life coach advised me against it.
Your life coach?
It's good she has a life coach.
You know, Johnny, rehab has done wonders for me. It works for a lot of people.
It really has done a lot for her.
I don't really have to, but I don't need some rehab vacation.
That's because your
Gosh.
idea of vacation is going to some monster truck show.
Hey, Truckosaurus was badass. You loved every minute of it.
You took Shannon to.
I know when you're fake.
Guys, I just really need to know if you have any idea.
How did they even meet, though, was the thing. How did Shannon and Johnny even
All I
meet?
know is that whenever Robbie would get in trouble, those dimwits weren't far behind.
What dimwits?
One looks like Chris Brown, the
Actually,
other one
he
looks
kind of looked like Will Smith almost.
Brad.
Trey and Cruz.
Great, Tweedledum and Tweedledumbass. How are we supposed to find those dirtbags?
I know where they are.
Oh, I know where they are too, actually.
Class, you worked hard today. So before you're dismissed, I have a little treat for you.
What's that?
I want to introduce you to a friend of mine.
Oh, it's a mousey.
What's its name?
I don't know. What should it be?
Hawk Jr.
All right, what do you think?
Clarence?
Clarence. I kind of like Hawk Jr. actually. Hey, little guy. Hey. Hey, what you doing, buddy?
So cute.
Careful, he might bite you.
You know, it's almost lunchtime.
Feed him.
No. But you can feed him.
Feed the snake? Oh gosh. Please tell me they didn't actually feed a real mouse to a snake. Because that's...
What do you like to eat?
Hopefully no animals were harmed making this. Yeah, because snakes eat mice. Gosh, I hate this part so much.
There you go.
He can't do it, can he? Bert doesn't want to do it. This is when he leaves Cobra Kai, I think. Oh, buddy, come on, no worries.
I can't.
It's okay. I understand.
He's doing it.
Clarence is your friend. It's okay to object. Who else objects?
Oh, that means they're all gonna leave.
You're off the team. Get it out!
What?
I said out!
Gosh.
Get it!
He's like, get it! So that's how we lose more students. Don't you dare feed that poor innocent mouse. I don't think they really did this to him. Oh my gosh. I don't think they really did that. I think that they didn't really do that. I don't think no animals were harmed making this show.
Sad to see your little friends go.
No, Sensei.
Go ahead, you can speak for yourself.
Is this the right time to make cuts? We're already down students after the school fight.
This is addition by subtraction. A true Cobra feels no sympathy for its males. Do you have a problem with that?
No, Sensei.
No, Sensei.
Good.
I just don't understand the plan. If Miyagido's shutting down, we might be able to get some new recruits.
But we will. In due time. At first, we're going to need to strengthen our core. With Diaz out, we're going to need a new champion. Someone with no fear.
I think I know who the Who is. Tori.
Take that to mom.
Oh, this is when we learn what she's really going through. Tori. This is sad though, what she's going through.
Hey, you haven't fixed the leak yet.
You haven't paid rent. See how that works?
Yeah, I'll have it to you by next week. I'm already working doubles.
Last month, there was some excuse about your mother's diabetes.
Dialysis.
Dialysis.
Not my job to keep track of your excuses. I gotta cash rent checks.
And we're going to end part 1 right here. Stay tuned for part 2.